Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is the recent Samsung Fan Edition smartphone in market. But wait! Is it really so? Let's dive deep into the features of this phone and find out everything about it. S21 FE is definitely a flagship device that is inspired by the S21, and it is going to be available from January 11th. The price of this Fan Edition phone stands at $699, and this is a bit confusing because the S21 is also at the same price range. So in the box, we will be getting a C-to-C data cable, an ejection pin, some paperwork, and the handset. Still, there is no charger. The phone is very similar to the S21 model when it comes to display and design. The 6.4-inch screen has an AMOLED display and can give super bright and accurate colors. The resolution of the phone is at 1080 to 2400 pixels with a 411 ppi density. The bezels are small and the screen-to-body ratio is 85%. So we can definitely have some immersive viewing experience. The 120 Hz refresh rate is going to make the interaction with the phone really great. There is an optical fingerprint scanner under the screen and it is up to the mark. The screen will be having the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for protection, and it is an always-on display. So with the design, the phone's back is totally made of plastic, and there are metal rails around the phone for protection. The regular Galaxy S21 had the same plastic back, but there was an extended metal rail around the camera which is not there in this Fan Edition. The phone weighs just 175 grams, and it is super light in the hands. Maybe that's because of the plastic nature of the phone. It's officially an IP68 water-resistant phone, so water splashing on the phone will not be a problem. There are 4 color options, and they are white, graphite, olive, and lavender. Olive and lavender can be an interesting choice, and keep in mind that it is not a matte finish, so you will get your fingerprints on the back with dark colors. Obviously, this smartphone runs on the Android 12 operating system, and there will be the One UI 4 for the best interaction. The Snapdragon 888 5G chipset is going to power this phone, and the performance is going to be stunning as usual. Samsung has used the 5nm chipset, and we are getting some fast CPU and GPU speeds with the combination of 5G. Internal storage space is starting from 128GB, and the limit is going to be 256GB, with the RAM options being 6GB and 8GB. Moving on to the camera, this phone also has a triple camera setup like the regular S21 with some changes to the pixel. You'll get a 12MP primary camera, another 12MP for ultra-wide shots, and an 8MP sensor with 3x telephoto lens. The main camera can snap sharp images with the help of OIS. There is an interesting dual recording feature for vloggers who want to be on the video with their content. The front punch-in camera for selfies and video calls is a 32MP wide-angle camera that is good for all front cam stuff. Otherwise, there is a better performing portrait mode that can capture more details than before. Video recording will be great at all levels, and the editing options have widened up. Also, importantly, Samsung and Microsoft have partnered for OneDrive syncing. The speaker is found at the bottom of the phone, and it is a part of the stereo system and has no 3.5mm jack. The sound coming out is pretty good, and it must be a great one for watching the video, gaming, and songs. This Fan Edition has a larger battery than the S21, and this is very impressive. The non-removable battery has a 4500 mAh capacity, and there is fast charging with a 25 watts charger. Samsung says that the phone can reach 50% charge in 30 minutes. And you will also have the fast wireless charging option with 15 watts. All the basic and common communication and connectivity features are present in this phone. There is WLAN support, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFS options available. So you will always be connected with everyone. Overall, the phone is very similar to the S21, even in price. Also, we know that the S22 is around the corner, so this Fan Edition from Samsung is delayed, but a decent mobile that can stand up with the current trend.